Back again with a brand new video. What is good, YouTube? Back again with another sneaker review. Today we are reviewing the Air Jordan Metallic 3 Lab 5s. Once again, huge shout out to MJ from Flip with Kicks. As always, he hooked it up once again. And a huge shout out to Nike Forum because they always hold it down for us. Here you have your box with the whole chemical compound print all over in that holographic, which makes it so much sleeker and nicer. As you pull them out, your tissue paper has all the elements that are being used in the series. Real dope. Here are the sneakers, and as always, they do come with a little booklet. Let's open it up for you guys who haven't seen these yet. Real nice touch. I really appreciate it when Jordan Brand or other sneakers do these. It's real dope. As I've said before, this whole series just reminds me of Bill Nye, the science guy. The whole science and elements and all that yada yada is just real dope. If you grew up in the Northern Virginia school public system, you hated science. The only time I looked forward to going to science class is if we had a substitute. And if you had a substitute, that only meant one thing. You were watching Bill Nye, the science guy videos all damn day. From an outsider looking in, like my girlfriend, she thinks this is hideous. But if you just know the whole concept and look into this, it just ends up being a real dope sneaker. The elephant print wrapped around the whole entire sneaker is just so ill. I honestly think this is just one of the best 3 Lab 5 series or 5 Lab 3s out there. With that being said, let's break the sneaker down. To start it all off, you have that predominantly black upper with the elephant print all over. The whole upper consists of that fine premium quality leather. Your fish netting on the remedial and medial side of the sneaker is still in that leather. With the elephant print, it is usually plastic, but it is still in that leather. Your tongue continues that leather quality with that elephant print with your metallic silver Jumpman. Your lace lock will be that translucent smoky black or gray. The laces that comes with it is a shiny flat noodle lace. What I really like about this sneaker is the use of that element on the back of the tongue. I found it really dope that they put that element logo on there. Really nice touch to the sneaker. Your back heel will have the Jumpman embossed in there, camouflage to the elephant print. Your midsole will have hints of black and metallic silver. Your shark teeth will have that speckled black and metallic silver as well. Finally, your bottom outsole will have that very icy translucent blue outsole. Great sneaker overall. I can't wait to put these on feet. I hope you guys enjoyed that on feet. And for my final thoughts, comfort level is not always the greatest with the 5s. It definitely has that boot feel like to them. Sizing is perfect, true to size. In terms of maintenance, this is an all black sneaker, and the premium leather will have you guys walking like a normal person. You don't have to walk like a robot to keep these from creasing. terms of outfits, these are very fit friendly. You can basically match these with anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, the best way of letting me know is hitting that thumbs up button down below. If you guys want to keep chopping it up with me, you guys can always find me on Instagram and Twitter, both under Ralph McFly Guy. Again, thank you to all my new and old subscribers, and if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button as well. Please do stay tuned for my fit video for this sneaker. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
The Manila Sunset though.